Let's say you have a 1-acre plot available for your maize farming business. Here are the costs you should expect based on my most recent market research. Land preparations such as plowing and irrigation will cost you between 500 to 1,000 cedis. This cost arises if you would have to hire a tractor, for example, to do the plowing for you. I would use the higher estimate for analysis purposes. Procuring seeds for an acre plot will cost you up to 400 cedis depending on the type of seed you choose to grow. I have talked about the best seed varieties for high yield in Ghana in this video. You may want to check it out after watching this one. There are two types of fertilizers you might have to buy if you are going into maize farming: NPK and urea. For an acre plot, you will buy about 2 bags each, costing roughly 1,500 cedis. Weedicides will cost you a maximum of 200 cedis. Labor is also one thing you might consider, especially if you are unable to handle the farm by yourself. This can also cost you about 800 cedis today. In total, startup expenses for starting a maize farm on 1-acre plot can cost up to 3,900 Ghana cedis. Now, looking at the current average yield and the price per kilogram of maize in Ghana right now, 1-acre plot can give about 3,500 kilograms of maize, making a gross revenue of about 12,000 Ghana cedis. Note that this is not even the optimum, as you could get way more than the current average yield in Ghana if you do things right, and I have thought that step by step in this video. So how can you use this data wisely? The first thing is, don't start if you don't have the minimum startup cost or you do not have a sure means of raising it as you start your business. This is going to restrain your access to the right tools and necessities to ensure that your crops thrive and consequently run at a loss. And the most important aspect after having your startup cost at hand is to learn how to start the business the right way. Go watch this video right now to make sure that you are prepared.